Hi, I'm Lee from Toolbox.co.uk and I'd like to introduce the ROK 9.6v Cordless drill driver. As you can see, the machine comes in a black moulded carrying case. In the case we have the warranty details. There's also 13 accessories ranging from drill bits and screwdriver tips. We would also recommend when using power tools that you use safety goggles or safety spectacles. On the machine itself, it has a forward and reverse, which can be operated by thumb or index finger. It also has a variable speed switch, so all times you have total control of the machine. So when putting in screws, you can start off slowly to speed up, so you have control of the screw. The machine won't come off the screw when doing it. On this machine we have 8 torque settings, going from low to high. When in the low mode, when drilling soft materials like plasterboard or expensive timber, you won't damage the material, the machine will cut out. It also has a 10mm chuck, which will enable you to have a quick exchange. So putting the tool in, put into forward mode, hand tightening, bit stays in, into reverse, item comes out. That's the 9.6v drill driver from ROK. Now let's see the machine in action. And don't forget, all ROK power tools come with a 2-year warranty.